In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can limit a voice chat on Discord to 2 people. This is straightforward and simple to do, so let's just get straight into it. If you don't have any voice channels on your Discord server already, make sure you go ahead and select your Discord server. There you should have a default voice channel, but if you want to create a brand new one, click on that plus next to voice channel. Make sure you select voice channel and then you can name this anything you would like. Click on create channel. And there you can see I have a new channel, this one that's got a random name. If I select the settings gear cog on the right hand side of that, it's going to take me to this page, and it's very straightforward. You just need to scroll down to where you see user limit, and then you want to make sure you select that onto 2 users. Now it does have options of going all the way up to 99 users, but this tutorial will show you how to do it limited to 2 users. So select 2 users, select 2 users there, click on save changes at the bottom, and now this channel is limited to only 2 users in the voice chat. So that is how you limit a Discord voice channel to 2 users. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like this video and subscribe down below, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.